Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury featured in Garnet Metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, power liftgate, backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar. Hopping inside, just to the left here we have the power park brake. Taking a look at the steering wheel, on the left side is our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel. On the right is our cluster and audio controls. Taking a look at the infotainment screen here, starting off with the audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar, and it is also equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's our backup camera, and just below that we have our climate controls with heated front seats, as well as the parking assist and hazards. Below that, some storage with 2 USBs and a 12-volt. Infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, and the center console. Popping that open, we have storage up top as well as down below. Here we have the rear view mirror, just above that OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights and the universal garage opener. Got a place to hold your sunglasses as well, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. Color matched mirror caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, here we have some Cadillac and XT4 badging. We can double click to open up the back. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility. We can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage space, not to mention the hidden storage we have below. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below, 60/40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear climate controls, rear vents, with 2 USBs and heated rear seats. Up at the top, handles paired with the dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. And here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2020 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.